Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Kathy and this is Kathy's Teacher Tips. Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing an unboxing on my first day back of in-service this year for professional development. The administrative team gave every single teacher a box with some goodies in it, and I have not opened it yet. I saved it. It's been several days, and I saved it just for this video so you can get a real-time reaction. I did peek in it a little bit. Just a little bit, and I can tell that it might be spa-related. But I haven't opened it and taken stuff out yet, so it's real unboxing. And, let's see if I can find a brand name for what this box is. Probably shouldn't read the back. That has what's in it, so that's not good. I don't know what this is. It's by Naha Flume Ltd. Whatever that is. So, here we go. The inside has a little thing about their social media. That's okay. Let's see what we have. Of course, we have decorative grass. Oh, okay. So, first of all, it's like a spa beauty kit relaxation before the year even begins. We have a chamomile bar soap for when we get stressed. Oh, fuzzy socks! That'll be great. I love fuzzy socks. I have a collection. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, it looks like a bath bomb. It is a bath bomb. I don't know what scent it is, but from peeking inside, it looks like it has some of the Himalayan pink salt in it. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, it's called Sunday Morning Soy Candle. So, very cute. And there's something else farther down. What is this? Oh, wow. It is a metal straw and cleaner. But that probably goes. Oh, it has a tumbler. It says drink happy thoughts. My admin team really wants us to relax this year. Oh, but that is it. That is my spa kit from my admin team. I did know that there was a tumbler in it. I didn't know that this is what it said. But that is it. I can't stop laughing. Okay, that is it for today. I'm not going to try any of these things out right now because it's the end of the day. We've been doing teacher in-service and getting our classrooms ready. So maybe you'll see these show up in some of the videos later on. But for now, take care. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I hope to see you soon. Take care.